हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः परमगुरुभ्यो नमः। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। नमः शान्ताय दिव्याय सत्यधर्मस्वरूपिणे स्वानन्दामृततृप्ताय श्रीधराय नमो नमः। जगत्कल्याणकार्याय नररूपधराय च योगिराजाय वन्द्याय गुरुदासाय ते नमः। आदिनारायणं विष्णुं ब्रह्माणं च वसिष्ठकं श्रीरामं मारुतिं वन्दे रामदासं च श्रीधरम्। लक्ष्मीरमण गोविन्द गोविन्द। हर नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव शंभो। संत कृपा झाली इमारत फळाले, संत कृपा झाली इमारत कृपाले। ज्ञानदेव रचिला पाया, ज्ञानदेव रचिला पाया। उभारिले देवालया, ज्ञानदेव रचिला पाया। उभारिले देवालया, संत कृपा झाली इमारत फळाले, संत कृपा झाली इमारत कृपाले। नामतयाचा किंकरा तेणे रचिले ते आवरा, नामतयाचा किंकरा तेणे रचिले ते आवरा। जनार्दन एकनाथा कांबदिदला भागवता, जनार्दन एकनाथा खांबदिदल भागवता। संत कृपा झाली इमारत फळाले, संत कृपा झाली इमारत कृपाले। तुका झाला से कळसा भजन करा सावकाशा, तुका झाला से कळसा भजन करा सावकाशा। बहिणी म्हणे फडकते, बहिणी म्हणे फडकते ध्वजा, निरूपणा आले बोजा। बहिणी म्हणे फडकत ध्वजा, निरूपणा आले बोजा। संत कृपा झाली इमारत फळाले, इमारत फळाले, इमारत फळाले। शरीरं सुरूपं तथा वा कलत्रं, यशश्चारुचित्रं धनं मेरुतुल्यं। मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे, ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम्। In a script called Guru Ashtaka, it was written by Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya. During his explanations about a teacher, a guru, he has told, Adi Shankaracharya has told that Shariram Surupam Tatha Va Kalatram. We might be born with a beautiful body, Shariram Surupam, a beautiful, a good, healthy body. Tathava Kalatrayam. We might be best in many of the forms in our life, that can be in our business or some art or anything. We are the best. Might be we have done a good education. Yashascharu chitram dhanam meru tulyam. As we are born, we might have a beautiful, well-educated kids. We might have a handsome husband, or we might have a beautiful wife. We might have Yashascharu Chitram, a complete name, fame, all gains in our life. Manaschena Lagnam Gurorangri Padme. Tatakim, 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 tatakim. We might have everything to lead a beautiful life on this earth. But when it comes to achievement as a human, we are born on this earth as a human. When we don't know the actual goals of our life and we are just leading our life with the luxuries, what's the point in leading the life here? It's like we have everything. When we sit on a leaf full of beautiful tasty dishes, everything is being served. It can be a sambar, chutney, everything. But the main thing which fills our stomach is rice. If that is being not fed to us, do we accept it as a tasty food? Same way, when we are on this earth, we might have all sort of luxuries. And if we forget the main goal of the human as a birth, there is no point in surviving our life on this earth. And to take us this luxuries away from us and take us and make us move towards our liberation, mumukshatva, that moksha is the only end goal of a human birth. And if we don't achieve that, there is no point in survivability. Now, to get a path to reach towards our mumukshatva or the liberation, we need a person who guides us well to reach our targets in our life, and that is none other than a guru, a teacher. When we use this term as a teacher, we cannot consider it like a teacher means somebody who teaches like your education in our schools, colleges, in and around us. No. An actual teacher is the one who takes us away from darkness and makes us move towards the enlightenment. And he is being considered as a teacher. And unless and until we don't bow ourselves in front of that teacher, we definitely cannot move towards the liberation. It is one of the toughest part, we can say. Might be we will be having a knowledge, we have to do the puja, bhakti, everything, and we will achieve liberation. To get that emotions of bhakti also, we need some guidance. If you just sit in front of some idol or some photo of some god, and if we start doing japa, do we accept that God will come in front of us and bless us? No. It's a teacher who guides us by applying what sort of methods we can easily go and achieve our pathway towards God. When it comes to a small example to make you guys understand, we have heard of Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Rama Japa. And usually there is a saying in our Puranas and our ancient scripts that 13 crore times, if we do this Rama Japa regularly, we will get the blessings from Sri Ramachandra, or he will appear in front of us. And there are many saints and sages who have proved that statement. 13 crore times they have done that japa and they have got enlightenment and the God has appeared in front of them. But with these luxuries, comforts, we will definitely not get interest to sit tightly in our complete lifetime and do that 13 crores of japa of Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. But we have a hope, interest, everything to say, tell to a God, please show your face to us once. We have that bhakti. But 13 crore time japa is not possible. In such cases, Guru is the one who shows us a easy pathway such that we will not be doing that much of japa tapa also. At the same time, there are easy path through which we can see him. We can achieve his blessings. And those things, when it comes to Swami Samarth, a famous saint, where he has told that we need not have to do 13 crores of japa of Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram to achieve the blessings and his appearance in front of us. We can do it with just 3 crores, more than enough. And that it is better and an easy way to achieve what we want in our life. And this is just an example what I am giving. There are many saints who have made it still more easier and simple to achieve our liberation. And as a human, when we are born, it is mandatory we have to plan for our lifetime to achieve our moksha. Otherwise, there is no point in surviving in this earth. That's the reason Purandara Dasa has told, Kurudu nayi santege bantante, adu yaake banto, Kurudu nayi santege bantante, adu yaake banto, Kurudu nayi santege bantante. He has told Kurudunai means a dog which doesn't have drishti, eyes to see the surroundings. Sante means it is a beautiful place where we can purchase many things, wonderful things. Whenever we see something, then only we'll plan for buying it or to achieve it, right? When we don't have our eyes open and we are in that beautiful market or sante explained like Purandara Dasa, if we don't have eyes, can we see the beautiful things? No. So, according to our Sadhu Satpurushas or our Hindu scripts or any culture let it be, they usually say humans are born itself to achieve liberation. And when we don't do it, there is no point in being born as a human. So, in my upcoming episodes, I will be telling the beautiful avatars of Lord Dattatreya, where many people do the Parayana of Guru Charitre. There are beautiful stories in that Guru Charitre where we have seen that Dattatreya itself is born in the form of a guru, a teacher, to make his bhaktas or disciples move towards liberation with the simple, easy practices what he guides. And those things, those beautiful stories, how people achieved blessings from God, we will be listening in upcoming days. Okay? So till then, भगवान सद्गुरु श्री श्रीधर गुरुदास स्वामी महाराज की जय. जय जय गुरुदेव दत्ता, जय जय रघुवीर समर्था.